Back a little bit.
Pink, watch.
Listen.
There's no problem here. Look, there's no problem. Okay. You're a cop. You can't trespass me. I'm trying to get on my flight.
And you're causing a scene.
What's the scene? I'm trying to get on my flight.
On February 28, 2025, police were dispatched after receiving reports of a disturbance at Tampa International Airport.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Come on, sir. Let's have a walk.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Nothing. They won't check me in.
What happened?
I don't know. My wife is worried because she thinks I drank 3 drinks. I just go on a plane. I'm not driving. I'm allowed to have 3 drinks. And they won't check me in because my wife said I'm drunk. I would literally do a drunk driving test right now, even though I'm on the plane. There's nothing wrong.
Let's talk.
I have to go. I have to be there tomorrow morning. This is not acceptable.
Relax.
I know, but they won't check me in. It's not right.
I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah. Like, your actions show more than what you're saying.
Because they won't let me on.
Just back up. Just step back a little bit.
Watch.
Step back a little bit.
Pink, watch.
Listen.
There's no problem here. Look, there's no problem.
Okay. What's your name? What's your name? What's your
Eric.
name? Huh?
Eric?
Yes. All right, just relax. Relax.
I'm relaxed.
All right.
Just let me on the plane. That's all I need. I have to go on the plane.
Listen, I don't make that call. They make that call.
But they didn't even see me. They just based it on my wife.
Relax.
I'm
relax. All right?
No, get Jojo right now. Right now, tell her to come here.
Eric.
Get here right now.
Eric.
Noah. Get here right now.
Eric.
Yes.
You're gonna make this hard. Okay? You're really gonna make this hard.
I'm not doing anything wrong, Bob.
You're not listening.
I'm listening. You didn't say anything. I'm listening. You haven't said anything.
Stop with this. Stop with this.
You talk.
Stop with
I'm
this.
listening.
All right?
Go.
Listen.
Go.
I don't make the call. They make the call. If
Go.
they're making the call that you cannot get on that plane,
Okay.
you cannot get on that plane.
But how do they determine that?
I don't know. Obviously, listen. Just relax.
Yeah.
The way you're acting right now, yes.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm pissed at my wife, not at them. I'm pissed at my wife.
Now, so what's going on?
Basically, he's just out of control right now. We got a flight. He have a drink.
Okay.
So we canceled the flight for tomorrow, but he's in a state that he's not listening. He's never, I don't know what happened. And we canceled the flight for tomorrow, obviously, because he's cannot take a flight and he's upset. So at this point, we're just trying to take him out of here. I want to book hotel and wait until tomorrow. If you can help me.
We'll try. Yeah, we're going to try to. My partner's going to talk to him.
Yeah.
Do you have your driver's license on you?
My driver's license, yes.
I'm cool.
Okay.
I will literally be cool right now. You tell me, why can't I get on the plane right now?
I cannot make that call.
So let's talk to them. Let's talk to them.
They already made the determination.
Let's talk to them.
They already made the determination
Based
of
on
not
what?
allowing you on the plane.
Based on what?
Because of your actions. Look at how you acted.
What actions?
You're not being reasonable right now.
I'm very reasonable.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
Okay, so tell me how I can be reasonable.
You have to relax.
I'm relaxed.
And you have to listen.
You said it 5 times, and I'm relaxed. Am I not
they-
relaxed right now?
No, you're not.
I'm not relaxed right now.
No,
So right now, I'm not relaxed.
you're not.
I'm not.
Just
Really?
relax. No.
So right now, I'm not relaxed. How do you want me to be relaxed if I'm not relaxed right now?
One, by being quiet
Okay?
and listening.
I'm quiet. Listen. Go.
If they're making a determination,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what made them determine that you're intoxicated. They have a policy where if they believe you're intoxicated, they will
believe it.
not let you on the flight.
Okay, which is not true.
Okay, they don't need to do a alcohol test or anything. If they see
Right.
that you're a little bit like the way that you're acting, where you're not listening, like you're listening now,
I am listening,
But
and I've been
before you
listening the
weren't.
whole time.
but before you weren't.
Yes, I was.
So if they're making that determination not to let you on a flight,
But
then
based on what?
because they believe
I
you're
haven't done
intoxicated.
anything. But they didn't say...
Actually, you know what? I can smell the alcohol coming off
It's
your breath.
okay. Are you allowed to drink alcohol before you
You're
go on the
allowed.
plane?
You're
Yes,
allowed.
exactly.
By this point in the call, the airline had refused to let the doctor board after his wife told the gate agent he had been drinking. Officers had spoken to her separately, and she confirmed it. The flight was already canceled. The doctor, still on the property, was demanding a sobriety test and refusing to leave. The officer who approached him said he could smell the alcohol from where he was standing.
Keep your hand down. Keep your
I
hand
can keep my hand up.
Keep your hand down,
I
all
can
right?
keep my hand
Because
up.
it's in my space.
I
all
can
right?
keep my hand
it's
up.
in my space.
I can keep it up.
I'm about to put cuffs on you.
Put the cuffs on.
Listen,
me.
dude,
I'm
hey,
not doing
you're
anything.
about to go
Look
in
at my
cuffs.
hands. They're behind my back.
You need to relax.
Look at
Calm
my
down.
hands. I'll talk to
Dude,
you.
hey, calm down.
My hands are behind my back.
All right, just
my hands
back
are
up a little bit.
Back up.
We can have a
My hands are
conversation
behind
from
my
here.
back.
What's going on?
Okay. I want to go on a flight.
Okay.
My wife says I drank, which I did, 3 drinks, and that's
Control
legal.
back to 149. I just want to confirm. Was that
So
DL?
I drank 3 drinks,
For the last
which
name,
is
Kaplan?
legal. I paid
That's
for a
important.
flight, which is legal.
Okay.
I should be allowed on the flight.
But they also have the right to refuse.
Right, but what are they basing that on?
Right now, this behavior.
What am I doing that's
You're making a
behavior?
scene.
Look at me. My hands are behind
People
my
are
back.
uncomfortable.
Okay. My hands are behind my back. Is anyone uncomfortable right now?
So I can't force them to let you fly. I'm not saying that's
I
the exact
understand that.
reason.
You can't force them to let me fly, but be reasonable.
Okay.
My hands are behind my back.
Okay.
I'm totally calm. Right? I will pass a drunk driving test. No
I have
problem.
no. That has nothing to do with this right now.
Right, exactly.
So what we got to do is we got to resolve the situation we're in right
Let's
now.
resolve it, please.
Okay. So what they want to do is they want to cancel it tonight. They never.
I can't cancel.
Well, they're not letting you fly tonight.
What do you mean?
They already said no.
Based on what?
It doesn't matter.
It does matter because
They-
I'm a mosaic.
Well, then you can reach out to their customer service at a different point. But right now, they don't want you here.
Okay.
So what I would suggest is you leave the property.
Leave the property?
Yes.
What does that even mean?
As in you take yourself off the property.
No, but I literally have to get home.
But they're not going to let you fly tonight.
Okay. So that's their problem, right? So I don't have to leave the property because they say.
So we have an airport operations person coming, and they'll talk to you. And if they don't want you here, then you would have to
Alright,
leave the
so
property. They're coming. They're
Fine.
just
Bring them there. I didn't do anything wrong.
Eric, you have your.
I literally am just trying to fly home.
okay.
That's it.
We're not saying you did
My
anything
hands are
wrong,
behind my back.
but we can also have
I'm
a
not causing any trouble.
we can also have a structured civil conversation, can't we?
I'm having
Control
civil
Bell.
Can you let him
Did
see
you
your
want
driver's
me to go
license?
back on the way?
For what purpose?
Because we're needing to know who we're talking to.
You're talking
I'm sorry,
to Eric.
149, go
That's
ahead.
me.
10-4, did you want the info back on the wife?
54. We just need to know where the AOM is.
I'm not causing any troubles. My hands are behind my back. I'm not drunk. I
Ten
can
percent.
touch my nose. I can do
All right.
whatever drunk driving test you want. They're the problem, not me.
Listen, bud. Nobody said anything about you being a problem, but we also know that they said no flight. I don't care what the reason is.
We're actually trying to help you out.
Okay, so help me out and get me on that flight.
That's
They are not-
impossible for me
That's
to do.
impossible for tonight. That's impossible. But if you can
Okay, so
handle
then
it-
leave.
Listen, if you
If you guys are saying it's impossible, then leave.
Listen.
I will talk to them. You guys are done because
Eric,
you're saying
If
I
you,
can't be on this
if you
flight,
do not,
so leave.
if you do not get yourself together right now, I'm putting you in
I am
cuffs.
fine. You guys are the ones.
You're gonna say that in like 20 seconds.
Arrest me. I'm not doing anything wrong.
You're gonna walk off
I
property
will
with me?
sue you. If you want to arrest me for literally trying to get on my flight,
Are you gonna sit here and have a conversation with the airport guy that comes here? The
I don't know who
operations?
the airport guy is.
The operations manager. He's
I don't
gonna.
have a conversation with anybody. I just want to get on my flight.
It's
I
not
didn't
gonna
do
happen.
anything wrong.
That's not gonna
Eric,
happen.
Okay, so what's the problem? So you guys leave then. You're dismissed.
no.
Obviously,
no,
we
no.
cannot leave. Now
Why
this is
can't
our
you leave?
situation.
What did I do
This is
wrong?
our situation.
What did I do wrong?
Eric, it doesn't work.
What did I do wrong?
All right, you're trespassed.
What do you mean trespass?
I'm trespassing you from the airport.
You can't. You're a cop. You can't trespass
Turn.
me. No, Ethan, get Jojo. They're arresting me. Ethan, go. Hurry up.
Can you just pop that straight here?
You don't need to sue you guys for arresting me for no reason. I didn't do anything wrong. What's your name?
Officer Brito.
149. We have one to
I
two.
didn't do anything wrong. You guys are literally arresting me for trying to get on my flight. Ethan! Can I get my wife? I'm gonna sue you guys. Hope you know this. I didn't do anything wrong. Can I throw my life away?
You don't get to make the shots here now.
Can you tell me what
Do you
law
want
I
paper on
broke?
this or what?
Can you tell me what law I broke?
Huh? I'll
Can you
transport.
tell me what law I broke?
First of all, disorderly.
How is this disorder? Joe! Good job, Joanny. You got me arrested, Joanny. You got
Go
me
over
arrested.
there. Go over there. Go over there. Go
Jones,
over there.
Don't go over there. Stay here.
Yeah,
You're
you're not
getting me
making.
arrested,
You're not
Joe.
calling the shots here, buddy. Do you have anything sharp on you, bud?
No.
Nothing that's gonna poke.
No. Giovanni, come
You
here.
have a pair,
Giovanni, come
you have an extra
here.
pair of gloves on you. I never
I'm
did.
arrested because of you. I'm not doing anything. Giovanni, you come here and tell them that I didn't do anything wrong.
Check that.
I literally didn't say nothing.
Can you stand over there?
Giovanni, you don't have to listen to them. I didn't do anything wrong.
It's up to you. I don't
Yeah,
care.
you guys are taking my phone and my wallet. You guys are ridiculous. I didn't do anything. Can you grab my stuff? Can you please tell me what I'm getting arrested for, sir? Who's in charge here?
First of all,
This guy. Okay.
told you to
sir.
calm down. Told you to back up numerous times. You
No,
didn't.
you didn't tell me to back
You
up.
told me.
You didn't tell me to
You
back
told
up.
us. You actually
Sergeant.
told us to leave.
Please.
You told me to leave when I told you you needed to
I
leave.
did nothing wrong.
The little that I've seen,
Yeah.
is disorderly. Okay?
What's disorderly?
You're causing this scene.
I'm trying to go on my. I'm trying to
You're
get on
at
my
the airport
flight.
and you're causing a scene. That's
What's the scene? I'm trying to get into my. I'm trying to get on my flight.
Not tonight.
Can I
buddy.
talk to Vasquez?
Nope.
Vasquez,
We
can I
already
please
talked,
talk
and
to you?
we already talked, and I don't want to talk to you.
No, Vasquez, you didn't talk to me.
Yes, I
I'm
did.
trying to talk to you.
You asked the question, I answered.
Right here.
You asked the
Vasquez, can I
question,
talk
I
to you?
answered. Nope.
Vasquez, can I
Watch your
please
knee.
talk?
Okay.
Hold on to his stuff for him.
Okay, but how do that?
There was nothing we could have done. We tried to talk to him. We tried to say exactly what you said, that he's going to come back tomorrow, catch his flight. He demanded that he needs to fly tonight. I
He
told him.
us to leave. He told.
I told him, okay, then that's fine. That's not going to happen. So you need to leave the property. And he just refused and said that we need to leave, and we can't do that. This is our job. So
I know, guys. I know you guys are doing your job. We all parents. We all. You're doing your job, but in this case, let me just talk to him, please. Just like I say, he just need to calm down.
So,
please.
what's-
it's too late for that
yeah,
now.
he'll calm down once he gets to jail. It could make him get more upset if you talk to him. So it's better to just because he's calmed
But
down.
here's the thing. We're supposed to go home now. Okay, I have my 2 boys there. I don't know where is that place? Where we going? Just help me out here.
15 minutes away. It's called Orient Road Jail. I will give you.
This guy never been in any trouble. Like, what do you mean? So, how did that work? How's the process? I don't know. Like, what's
He's gonna
happening?
go in. He's gonna get booked. Eventually, he'll have a phone call. He'll call you, and then he'll see a judge in the morning.
When he see a judge?
In the morning.
Oh, it'll probably be later.
But yeah, because we have a flight at 6 in the morning.
I could go
Like they book us a flight at 6.
at 6 in the morning.
6:15.
I
is the
don't.
flight.
I'll be honest with you. Just because of what I've seen here, that airline will most likely not let him fly it on their airline
Well,
again.
they give me. They already changed everything. I had the.
I get that,
best
but
ticket.
I guarantee you they probably already blacklisted him.
So can you please explain why I'm arrested? What did I do that was illegal? Passenger, can you please acknowledge me? Can you please say yes, you hear me? Passenger, can you please acknowledge me? Passenger, can you please say you hear me? Passenger, do you hear me? Passenger, do you hear me? Why are you arresting me? What did I do? I'm gonna scream because you're not answering me! Passenger! What did I do? Don't tell me it's because I'm yelling now, because I wasn't yelling before! Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna sue you because you guys have no reason. You're not answering me. You're not telling me what your name is, what your badge number, and I know that's required by law. Disorderly conduct, please tell me the definition of disorderly conduct. Passenger, can you please tell me the definition of disorderly conduct? So now you're gonna cause a whole trouble. Now I'm gonna be pissed at my wife. Now I'm gonna cause a whole issue with my wife because of you guys.
Yes, sir.
Wow, I missed my flight. I don't even know what I did. Driver, the passenger is unrealistic. Can you please tell me what I did wrong? I literally did nothing wrong. Driver, please. Be respectful, driver, please. I promise you I did nothing wrong. I literally just want to get on my flight. I did nothing wrong. Driver, please, can you acknowledge me? What is wrong with you cops? You won't even acknowledge me? You won't even talk to me? What is wrong with you guys? What are you going to arrest me for if you won't even tell me what the problem is? What did I do? There was no warning. There was nothing. Driver, please. It's not right. I'm a doctor. I have to save patients' lives tomorrow. I'm supposed to be in New York, and I can't save my patients' lives because of you. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm not allowed to drink. That's ridiculous. It's not illegal to drink. I didn't cause any trouble. I didn't do any violence. I didn't say anything to anybody, and no one will tell me anything I did. What are you accusing me of, driver? Driver! What are you accusing me of? Driver! Just respond to me! Just say you can't talk to me or something! Driver! Driver! Please just tell me you can't talk to me! Do something! You guys are ridiculous! How is my wife supposed to pick me up? Can you guys answer me? What did I do that was so wrong? There's freaking murderers and criminals out there. I'm a doctor. I don't understand why you guys are arresting me. I'm not a criminal. Can someone talk to me? Driver, can you please talk to me? Driver! Talk to me! Driver! What did I do? Driver! Why are you being such an asshole? I'm literally asking you a simple question. Why are you torturing me? Can you please tell me what I did, driver? Please, I did not do anything wrong. I was not violent. I did not curse. I did not say anything to get arrested. I did not break the law. Driver, please! Driver! Oh my God, I hope you go to bed tonight and realize that you arrested someone for no reason. When there are real criminals in Tampa, killing people, hurting people, murdering people, and I did nothing! Driver, I did nothing! Why are you okay with this, driver? Are you okay with arresting with someone who did absolutely nothing? Disorderly conduct? What does that even mean? I literally did nothing. I did not hurt anyone. I did not raise my voice at anyone. And you arrested me for disorderly conduct. Driver, you're gonna go to bed knowing that you arrested someone for no reason. A doctor who helps people save lives. And passenger, you're an asshole. When you arrest someone who did nothing, you arrest someone who did nothing. I did not hurt you. I did not challenge you. I was very respectful. I did everything how I was supposed to when you arrested me, driver, passenger. And you're gonna go to bed knowing that you arrested a doctor who saves lives, and now tomorrow, I'm not gonna be able to see my patients. I'm a neurologist who people have Parkinson's and Alzheimer's and MS, and now they will not be seen because of you, passenger. Is that what you're saying, passenger? Passenger, answer my question! If I raise my voice, is that arrestable? Oh yeah, you. I hope you sleep at night, know you arrested a doctor for no reason, that I'm gonna save lives, and now I can't save their lives tomorrow.
The man was charged with disorderly intoxication and booked at Orient Road Jail in Hillsborough County, Florida. Under Florida law, disorderly intoxication is a second-degree misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. The statute does not require a breath test, only a public disturbance and signs of intoxication. Public updates on the outcome of that case were not located. Subscribe to Airport Bodycams.